tool I have for all of you is Keysearch. This is one of the first free resource which you have in your keyword research journey. If you want to do a keyword research in more detail, where you want to find keyword volume, CPC, PPC and SEO difficulty score, then I would say that you have to use this free keyword research tools. So let me take you through that how you can do your keyword research tool. So this is the website. They do have a paid subscription plan for you, so you can upgrade your account and you get extra feature and unlimited keyword research. So you can scroll down and you can check what are the features you will get if you use this tool for your keyword research. So to access this tool, all you need to do, you have to click get started now. So once you click on that, it will open a page like this where you have to select whether you want to try for free, starter or pro. They have a different pricing for that. If you go for a free version, you will get daily search and analysis. So you will get only 5 daily search, means you can only search 5 keywords daily and you will able to get analysis of that. You all will get YouTube research, YouTube keyword research, you will get exact domain check that. So if you want to buy any exact domain, so you can do analysis of that. And then rank tracker keywords, so this feature you will not get competitive analysis access. So if you want to do a competitive analysis between the domain or between the keyword, you will not get that. Also you will get content assistance, reporting, API access. So these are the feature you will get. But if you want all the feature, then you have to upgrade your plan to this, whether starter or a pro. But here in this video I will show you that how you can do your analysis with this free version. To access this, what you have to do, you have to click on this get started now. So to access this keyword research tools, what you have to do, you have to target your email address, password, and you have to select any of these plan, because we are targeting the free version. So I will select free. I will type my email address, then I will type my password, then I have to retype the password, then I will select the plan whichever I want. But here in this video I'm going for the free version, so I'm clicking on the free. And then I'm not a robot, then you have to click this small box where you are saying that agree to the terms and condition. And then so once you fill up all this information, your registration will be complete. They will send you a verification mails where you have to verify the codes, which I'm not going to do, otherwise this video will get longer. So I will tell you that how you can do it. So once you get access and successfully register your account, you will get a dashboard like this. Here in this tool, what you can see, you are getting a very deep analysis. It's just like a href. The entire interface is like a href. As you can see, you will get a SEO metrics, you will get a search volume, you can get a search suggested keyword. So you will get different features, like different matrices which help you to do your keyword research in a more better way. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you, and now you know that how you have to register yourself and how you have to create and do your keyword research in with this tool, keyword search. It's absolutely a free tools for you to do your keyword research. So if you are new, I must recommend you to use this tool, because this tool is very effective for your keyword research, because the kind of data you will get, you won't believe it. As you can see, competitive analysis you will get suggestive keyword, you can get the keywords on the base of the ranking, on the base of difficulty, CPC, PPC. So all the metrics you will get in this keyword. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any questions or anything want to ask, just write in the comment section and I'll try to help you out.